14 brain-boosting juices and beverages. Revitalize your mind, unleash nature's potent cognitive enhancers. Immerse yourself in the allure of nature's treasures and gift your mind the boost it deserves. Let the 10 best brain-boosting juices and beverages become your loyal companions on the path to cognitive excellence, revitalizing your mind, one enchanting sip at a time. Welcome back to Fine Health. In this video we will discuss about 14 brain boosters. Many people are looking for simple ways to boost their focus, memory, and productivity. That's why nootropics, or smart drugs, are growing rapidly in popularity. Nootropics are a class of natural or synthetic compounds that may improve your brain function. While hundreds of nootropic supplements are available, several beverages contain natural nootropic compounds. What's more, other drinks boast ingredients, such as antioxidants or probiotics, that may support your brain function. Here are 15 juices and drinks that may boost your brain health. But, before we are starting the video, I want to give a disclaimer: the information on the Fine Health channel is offered solely for general and educational reasons, and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment. For any ailments or medical concerns you may have, please get advice from a physician. 1. Coffee. Coffee is probably the most widely consumed nootropic beverage. Most of its brain benefits come from caffeine, although it contains other compounds, like the antioxidant chlorogenic acid, that may affect your brain as well. One review noted that caffeine may improve focus, alertness, reaction time, and memory in doses of 4,300 mg, which is the equivalent of about 0.53 cups, 120-720 ml, of coffee. Coffee may also protect against Alzheimer's disease. In a week-long mouse study, a dose equivalent to 5 cups, 1.2 liters, of coffee daily, or about 500 mg of caffeine, helped prevent and treat Alzheimer's. However, human studies are needed. Keep in mind that caffeine is known to be safe at levels up to 400 mg per day, or about 4 cups, 945 ml, of coffee. 2. Green tea. Green tea's caffeine content is much lower than coffee's. Yet, it also boasts 2 promising nootropic compounds, L-theanine and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Studies suggest that L-theanine may promote relaxation, as well as that L-theanine combined with caffeine may improve attention. A review of 21 human studies found that green tea as a whole may support focus, attention, and memory. Additionally, EGCG is able to enter your brain through the blood-brain barrier, meaning it could exert beneficial effects on your brain, or even combat neurodegenerative diseases. Nonetheless, more research is necessary. 3. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented drink usually made from green or black tea, plus fruit or botanicals. Its major benefit lies in introducing beneficial bacteria called probiotics to your gut. Theoretically, improved gut health may boost brain function via the gut-brain axis, a two-way line of communication between your gut and brain. However, little research supports drinking kombucha specifically to bolster brain function. 4. Orange juice. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C, with 1 cup, 240 ml, providing 93 of the daily value, DV. Interestingly, this vitamin may offer neuroprotective benefits. One review of 50 human studies found that those with higher blood levels of vitamin C or a higher self-reported vitamin C intake had better attention, memory, and language scores than those with lower blood or intake levels. However, the downsides of sugary orange juice may outweigh its benefits. The juice is much higher in calories than the whole fruit, and a high added sugar intake is linked to conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. A better way to obtain this vitamin is simply to eat an orange. The whole fruit is lower in calories and sugar, as well as higher in fiber, than orange juice, while still providing 77 of the DV for vitamin C. 5. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are rich in polyphenol plant compounds that may provide brain-boosting benefits. Anthocyanins, antioxidants that give these berries their bluish-purple hue, may be largely responsible. Likewise, blueberry juice is loaded with these compounds. Still, one review of high-quality studies in nearly 400 people found mixed results. The strongest positive effect involved better short and long-term memory, but some studies in this review reported no positive brain effects from blueberry intake. 6. Green juices and smoothies. Green juice combines green fruits and veggies, such as dark leafy greens like kale or spinach, cucumber, green apples, fresh herbs, such as lemongrass. Green smoothies may also contain ingredients like avocado, yogurt, protein powder, or bananas to add creaminess and nutrients. While the brain-boosting potential of green juices or smoothies depends heavily on the ingredients, these drinks are often rich in vitamin C and other helpful. 7. Turmeric lattes. Sometimes called golden milk, turmeric lattes are warm, creamy drinks featuring the bright yellow spice turmeric. Turmeric contains the antioxidant curcumin, which may increase your body's production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Low BDNF is associated with mental deficits and neurological disorders, so raising BDNF levels may improve brain function. However, you should note that turmeric lattes provide much less curcumin than what's often administered in studies. 8. Adaptogen lattes. Like turmeric lattes, adaptogen lattes are warm, savory drinks packed with unique ingredients. Adaptogens are foods and herbs that may help your body adapt to stress, thus improving brain function and decreasing fatigue. Many adaptogen lattes are made with dried mushrooms, ashwagandha, or maca root. Because these drinks contain ingredients that may be difficult to source, such as dried mushrooms, it's easiest to buy a pre-made mix. 9. Beetroot juice. Beets are a deep red root vegetable that's naturally rich in nitrates, a precursor to nitric oxide, which your body uses to promote cell oxygenation and improve blood flow. Although many people drink beetroot juice before their workouts for its blood flow boosting qualities, it's less clear whether beetroot juice provides any brain benefits. Still, nitric oxide signaling may play roles in the areas of your brain responsible for language, learning, and advanced decision-making, and beetroot juice may boost these effects by increasing nitric oxide production. You can drink this juice by mixing powdered beetroot into water or taking a dose of concentrated beetroot juice. Typically, the dose for concentrated beetroot drinks is only 1-2 tablespoons, 15-30 ml, per day. Next 10 to 14 are herbal teas. Certain herbal teas may provide a brain boost. These include 10. Sage. This herb may support memory and mood, among other mental benefits. 11. Ginkgo biloba. A review of studies in over 2,600 people found that this plant may ease symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and mild cognitive decline. However, most of the available studies are of low quality. 12. Ashwagandha. This popular nootropic herb may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 13. Ginseng. Some evidence supports using ginseng for neuroprotective properties and to promote brain function, but other studies show no effect. 14. Rhodiola. This plant may help improve mental fatigue and brain function. Keep in mind that teas offer much smaller doses of active ingredients than the supplements or extracts used in scientific studies. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to watch more informative videos.